Victor, I have a quick question.
What's going on?
How should I do my, like, I feel so awkward talking into the camera and I'm filming a video. What do I say to start it?
Most YouTubers, because they're very enthusiastic, like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I hate that shit though. It's
I'm trying to think.
so awkward. Isn't it weird? Like, I don't like this. Hello, everyone who watches my videos. Okay, I'm gonna do a self tinting your eyebrows at home with the Just Men's Mustache and Beard, or Just for Men Mustache and Beard in Darkest Brown. I thought of this idea because I recommended my sister to do her eyebrows somewhere and then the lady fucked them up and then I felt really bad. So I was trying to think of ways to, like, well, it's okay, you can tint your eyebrows. They sell these eyebrow pomades that tint them permanently or semi-permanently for a few weeks. So as I was looking it up, I found a lot of videos on YouTube of girls that tint their own eyebrows with dye for men's facial hair. So I found this one was like the #1 product that everyone used. So I decided that I would try it on myself before I ever do anything like that on someone else. And that's what we're gonna do today. So right now I have nothing on my eyebrows. I let them grow for a while and then I haven't got them done since she got them done because I wanted to get them as full as they could possibly be before I went and got them waxed. So I got them waxed. I don't like threading them because I don't like the pain, but I got them waxed today. I don't have anything on them. This is how they look naturally. And we're gonna start. So from what I saw online, everything you need in here. I don't want to use the brush that it comes with because it's really big and I'm scared. Like, I do not want to put this on my eyebrow. But let's see. I'm not going to use the gloves because I'll probably mess up. Put those over here. What I have is, I don't have any Vaseline, so hopefully this works. I have coconut oil. I have warm water with soap for when it's time to wash off the product. And because I don't want to use that brush, I got this at the beauty supply store. I can't take it out. What the hell? Oh, duh. I got like the finest brush I could find because I'm really scared of messing up because I will cry if I fuck up my eyebrows. And I figure I could do hair-like strokes with it. I watched 2 different videos, 2 different girls that I'll link their Instagram or video somewhere because that's where I got the idea from. So let's start mixing. So my hands look like shit. Oh my god. Whatever. This is the color base. It's only for our eyebrows, so I'm gonna just put a little bit right there. I prefer to actually get the dark brown or brown, but they didn't have it. They had it in another brand, but because this is the only brand I've been seeing everywhere, I was too scared to risk it. So I just got darkest brown. I hope I don't look crazy after this. And then with the color developer, I'm gonna put the same amount next to it and then mix it. And I haven't dyed my hair on my own in a long time. I used to always dye my hair different colors, so I don't remember what like the finished texture or color is supposed to look like. Right now it looks like baby poop. I don't know what color it's supposed to turn when it's finished. Maybe I should read this. For gloves and squeeze line from Color Base, squeeze an equal amount. We did an equal amount. For best results, mix the product with the plastic end of the brush. Do not mix with the bristle end. Okay. Okay, it doesn't tell me what color it's supposed to look like when it's finished. This says 5 minutes, but I saw one girl do it for 10. And this is risky already, so I'm just gonna do a 10-minute timer, whatever. I think it's mixed. I think it's mixed. While that's settling, I'm gonna put my hair up. I hope I don't look crazy. So let's start with the coconut oil. I'm gonna bring it in a lot closer. Right here, okay. Oh, fuck. Let's put some on here. Because you don't want the dye to get on your skin and then stain your skin. I have work tomorrow. I don't want to look crazy. I hope it works, or I hope it either works or just doesn't work. I hope it doesn't end badly. The only really bad thing about putting oil instead of like Vaseline, which is a thicker consistency, is that the oil's dripping. Then I think I put it too close to my eyebrows, so it might defeat the purpose, but let's just do it. It's just melting, so I should hurry up. Okay, maybe I should just comb my eyebrows out with this thing. Let's see. So it did change color a little bit. It got darker, so I'm guessing that means that it's ready now. It looks so gross. It looks like poop. Just put like that much. So the second video I watched, where she was a little more detail as far as how to prepare it, she didn't get much results. It looked pretty, but like I want at least a noticeable difference. She didn't put that much and she left it for 5 minutes. The first video I watched, her eyebrows came out really nice. She left it for 10 minutes and she put on a lot. So it looked kind of like when people get it professionally done and it's just like black and it looks messy and you wipe it off and it's beautiful. That's what she did. So I'm just gonna go all in and put a decent amount. I'm forgetting that the inner part or beginning part of your eyebrow should actually be lighter than the ends. And I put too much right here, look. I don't know if you can see right there, it's way too much. Hope to God my eyebrows don't fall off. Okay, I think I'm good on this brow. If this works, this is amazing. Because I don't enjoy filling in my eyebrows every day. And I do feel like I have to. Once you start, it's like hard not to, because then you feel like you're bald. It's always harder filling in this eyebrow because I'm right-handed. It's just really hard to get a clean line like right here. And that's actually really difficult for me too when I'm using an eyebrow pencil, dip brow, whatever. Anytime I'm filling in my eyebrows, I always have a really hard time getting a clean line right there. I don't know if it's the way my eyebrow hair grows out, but it's a struggle right now too. They look mad dark. I'm just gonna start the timer now. I should have been started, but whatever. I'm gonna start it. Let's just fuck it and do 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I think my camera is focusing and I'm really excited. For anyone who does actually watch my video, do you see a difference in like the quality right now? So I invested in some stuff and I just want to know if it's worth it and if it's like you can tell. Does it look like a, you know, better video? Be careful with moving it around too much, especially because I put oil. The product's really like sliding. I don't know. If it works for me, my sister's next, so. And she has completely different brows than I do, so it's gonna be really cool to test this on someone else. And it looks like one pack will go a long way because I still have a lot of product here. Look, these are the tubes, so there's still a lot left. So I don't know how long this is supposed to last, but let's say it lasts a couple weeks, like 2 weeks, maybe a month. You can do this every so often. Those bottles will last you a while. And then I definitely put too much here. I used 2 new products today. I put it on my Instagram story. I tried the ColourPop, too close, tinted moisturizer. And I'm a full coverage type of person, so I was like, I don't know. But when I put it on, and then I put on a little bit of like translucent Fenty powder and banana, I actually really like it. And I also bought a primer, which I never believed in. I just feel like it's extra money for no reason. But a few people have told me it's not a good idea to put oil on before your foundation because oil basically removes makeup. So I'm putting on oil and putting on my foundation, so my foundation is kind of just sliding around. And then when I try to set my foundation so it doesn't slide around with powder, it just looks like paste. Like it doesn't look good. It's not always the case, but when it is, you can't even really tell on my pictures, but in person it does not look good. So because I have to put oil on my face because I'm really dry and I'm getting these patches right now. I live in New York City, so it's cold as fuck and I get rashes and like really dry skin that peels. Putting on the oil, I decided to get a primer. I'm gonna just show you. I got this Milk primer. I was gonna get the e.l.f. putty one that's like breaking the internet right now or whatever, but I don't know, I just really wanted something that's gonna work. And then the putty from e.l.f., I don't know if it's a hydrating primer, and again, I'm really dry. So I got this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is what I'm looking for. Hydration, and also something my foundation's gonna grip onto. Now I'm just showing off with my focus, but I put this on underneath a tinted moisturizer, which that I wasn't even sure of because I don't know if this works good with the moisturizer as opposed to foundation, but it worked really well. I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna keep testing it out. I also got the Fenty mascara. I'm gonna be showing off with this focus. Come on, focus. There we go. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I love everything Fenty. And I think my eyelashes look pretty nice. But I felt like I had to do a lot of work for it. And the wand is what's supposed to be like. The wand is basically why the mascara is supposed to be really good too. Because of the flat end and the full end, and it separates them and then it makes them full. But I just felt like it was more work I had to do, and on top of that, because I wasn't used to the wand, I got it all over my eyelids, and that could just be me not knowing how to put on mascara. But when I use the It Cosmetics mascara and the All Real Lashes, or Their Real Lashes by Benefit, which is my #1 favorite one, I feel like I don't get it. I'm able to, you know, put mascara on without it getting all over my eyelid. And the Their Real Lashes by Benefit, it always has my eyelashes looking like long and full and like separated, and I usually get the most compliments when I wear that mascara. But I really want this one to be like the best, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'll probably get used to the wand and then we'll see what's up. Wow, I talk a lot. We only have 3 more minutes left before the moment of truth. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, you have to wash, you have to scrub. I thought it was gonna stay. Oh my god, I just had a heart attack. I'm fucking scared. Hold on. I think it's too dark. Okay, I don't think it's bad. I don't remember what my eyebrows looked before already. I think I scrubbed off as much as... Oh. Be more careful with this part. And don't have makeup on like me. Are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing? Oh my god, tell me why you're laughing. Stop! This is a bad reveal. It's probably sloppy and I was not in focus because I was so scared. It looks pretty good. I'm not mad at it. I think I could have done a way better job as far as like the cleanliness of the application. This is it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you see a difference? Do you like it? Is it a hack? Is it cool? I don't know. I kind of like it. I think it's dry. It's off. Everything's off. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, but you can definitely see. Surprisingly, I fucked this one up more than that one. You could definitely see where I wasn't clean. And it's where I have trouble right here. Alright. As always, something always happens with my fucking camera. Usually it dies, but now it ran out of memory. Now I don't see a difference on this camera. I'm gonna go grab my sister and see her opinion. And I want to see if you see a difference. I'm recording.
It does look
you
good.
Can?
It looks good. It looks like they're filled. Can you do mine?
Yeah, but I'll do yours.
Do it now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me pee.
I guess we're gonna my sister next.
God, it
looks good. They look nice. They came out so good on me. Now my camera died too. Everything always goes wrong with that fucking camera. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Let me know if you guys like it or if you would do this. And if you notice a difference. iPhone's not showing the difference. I feel like the camera shows like a different. Okay, so I don't know how to do an intro and I don't know how to film an outro, so I'm just gonna stop talking and turn my phone off. And that's it. Bye.